But it is like our parents raised us a certain way, and whatever traumas that induced onto us, we do something different for our kids and induce more traumas onto them.
Yeah.
And it's just like a cycle
We
that
just
goes
like
over
hand it
and
down.
over and
But,
over.
I think though also like, so, but we're not necessarily repeating, right? Because that's the silent generation. Those were the children that were, meant to be seen, not heard. And they survived the Great Depression.
On that note, though, I remember hearing that all the time, too, when I was a kid. Kids are meant to be seen and not heard.